Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the bad seed. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the bad seed, let's begin with the eyebrows. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a diagonal line here. Then I'm going to leave some space, I'm going to make another diagonal line right here. I'm going to make a little bit of a wiggly line, and then I'm going to come down and kind of finish it off with another wiggly line. Same thing here, wiggly line, kind of come up, and another wiggly line. Now for the eyes, let's draw a nice big smiley face shape. And we'll do the same thing here, draw a nice big smiley face shape. Then I'm going to make a circle right here for the pupil, and we'll color that in. And we'll make another circle for the pupil right here, and color that in. Next, we're going to make a little smiley face shape for the mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to curve this line up. And I'm going to come really tall and then down. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to curve this line up, bring it up, and then down here. Now for the legs, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve out. And same thing here, down, and then it's going to curve out. We kind of bring it back just a little bit, kind of darken it up, make it a little bit bigger than the leg. Now for the arm, let's draw a line that comes down, and we'll do the same thing here. Let's just draw a line that comes down. Then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, and then a sideways line for the thumb. Same thing here, 1, 2, 3, and then a sideways line for the thumb. Now for the stripes on the seed, let's make a line that's just going to curve up here. And then we're going to make it curve up to here. We'll do a little curve here and a little curve here. And then we're going to bring this up and this up. Then let's do a line that curves here, and then one more that curves down here. We're going to do a line that curves up here, and one that curves down here. And then we'll do a little line that curves here, and then one more here. And there you go, there is your drawing of the bad seed. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.